the quiet of the morning, Lord, I feel you near. Your whisper calms the storm inside. Your presence draws me here. I lift my eyes to heaven, where my help forever stays. You wrap me in your power, in your majesty and grace. Majesty and grace, that's who you are to me. The Holy One enthroned in love and endless glory. You lift me when I fall, you hold me in your embrace. Forever I will worship you, my King of majesty and grace. Every burden that I carry melts before your throne. Your mercy like a river flows and calls my heart your own. You take my deepest failures and replace them with your praise. You crown my broken story with your majesty and grace. Majesty and grace, that's who you are to me. The Holy One enthroned in love and endless glory. You lift me when I fall, you hold me in your embrace. Forever I will worship you, my King of majesty and grace. Here I surrender, here I am yours, lost in your wonder, longing for more. King of the heavens, Lord of all days, my heart is undone by your majesties and grace. Majesty and grace, my soul will always sing to you, the risen Savior, my everlasting King. You lift me when I fall, you hold me in your embrace. Forever I adore you, my King of majesty and grace.